So we are doing an unboxing of Lego Marvel Superheroes. For PS4. Look at the side, the back, Deadpool. We've got Deadpool. Let's get a close up on this. And we're gonna turn it back to the side and back to the front. What? Okay, so let's just open this. So here's the game itself. It is Blu-ray disc. The manual. Hold on. The manual. This is right there. And hold on. As I get the case out. The disc out. And we'll just put that to the side over here. And here's the disc itself. For everyone turning up, so my cousin can play this. PS4 on the bottom. So I don't want to put this on the ground. I'm gonna put this back inside. And that's 1 out of 5 unboxings. The next unboxing is a game I really personally like, Need for Speed Rivals. Let's get a close-up on this. EA, not EA Sports. The last 3 are the ones I personally like. So let's get to this. Front, side, and back. One player, 25 gigabyte minimum. 2 to 6 network players. HD video output. DualShock 4 controller, which is the controller I did a review on. Remote play is usable on this game. And hold on. And online play, which is optional. So just gonna open it. Ugh, I keep dropping my camera. There's the disc and a pamphlet, I guess you could say. Something small. Pamphlet, 14, Need for Speed in theaters March 14. And here's the manual. Put that to the side, and let's get to the bad boy itself, the disc. The disc, it really does have a glossy look. Let's see if I can just get this. There's a lot about you that needs explaining. Okay, the gas thing is because of Bertram's cooking. So that's what it looks like. Ready for everyone turning up by Ghost and EA. It's a Blu-ray disc and PS4. Push this back. It's 2 out of 5. Now, these are the 3 games I personally like. I'm saving the best for last. Madden 25. Really, really good graphics. The look. I'm surprised they chose the Vikings. To the side, Madden 25, Ps4. And the back. See it, feel it, live it. Powered by EA Sports Ignite, Madden 25 changes the game forever with 10 times more detail and unprecedented control. Players think and all that emotion of Sunday is brought to life like never before. I'm not gonna do the last one though. It's rated for everyone. So here's a fathead thing for real. Give the best gift. Give the best gift ever they'll ever get. Now there's a code for 20% off for that. The manual, which is available online, and the bad boy itself, the disc. Let's see if I can pop up the disc on here. Oh, I don't think I can do it with this one. Oh yeah, just gotta move it over. Okay, so there's the disc. It does look like all these discs have glossy looks. Like, it's unbelievable that Sony went to that much. Let me put these pamphlets and everything back. The last one I'm not gonna do though, but I'll give you a hint of what it is. Ooh, let me bring this back. Wow, I really zoomed in. Okay, so I'll zoom in a little. I was gonna get 2K14, but I decided to pick up this and see the graphics because I saw the trailer and it looked pretty good. The graphics looked pretty good. So let's take a look around this. PS4 NBA Live 14 and respect the handle. Kyrie Irving. What? You good? Wow. How's that? I can really see it. Hold on. Oh wow. Why is this thing a different color? Oh, it's still white. So, respect the handle. There's all that. These graphics on the back. It looks pretty good in real life. I'm trying to get my camera to focus it, but apparently it won't. And one player and all that. And that's all we're gonna do. I'm not gonna do the last one because I just don't really want to do it because it's not worth it. So there are my 5 games and my DualShock 4 controller. And that's all I have for this video, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you very much.